Hello, today we will learn together how to tame a cockatiel, step by step, so that it becomes docile and trusts its owner. The cockatiel is a curious and sensitive bird. It needs quietness and patience to get used to you. Here are the steps you must follow before starting the taming process. Make sure the taming area is quiet, free from noise and other pets such as cats and birds, and away from the noise of children and cars. Start with a simple step. Let the bird see you offering it food without trying to touch it. If the bird is older than 6 months and is not tamed, do not try to make it step on your hand without wearing gloves, because its bite is very strong and may cause severe pain and even bleeding. Talk to your bird in a calm tone, or whistle to it. Gentle sounds make it trust you more. Try to touch the bird and play with its feathers very calmly and gently. Avoid shouting, trying to grab the bird forcefully, or chasing it. These actions will make it afraid of you. With patience, the result is amazing, a gentle bird that stands on your hand or shoulder and becomes your best friend. Taming your bird requires time and patience, but it's totally worth it. Share your bird stories and subscribe for more videos.